Hi kids! Today we have the Play-Doh kitchen creations. We're doing the ice cream one today. Mason picked this out for us. Are you excited?
Yeah! Let's open it!
Okay, let's open this. It comes with a few different dishes. 8 Play-Dohs in the ice cream machine.
What's the ice cream machine?
Ooh, we'll have to put that together.
Yeah. Got to put together the ice cream machine.
That looks like it goes on there. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh, the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
There more? Here, you can't reach it?
Okay.
Oh, it's gonna dump it out. Can you reach it? There we go. We got the Play-Doh. What colors are there?
There's purple, orange, yellow, red, and purple, and green, and another red.
Awesome. You ready to put this together?
Yes!
All right, let's do it. Okay. Now
It looks like this one.
Okay, hold this for me.
Okay.
Hold it while I put it together. Okay.
It just looks like that one. Look.
It looks pretty simple.
Yeah.
Oh. Neat.
I was using on the camera.
Okay.
It goes over here.
Okay, I think this one goes right here.
Okay. Mom, I could you building it. Mom, I could you building it.
Okay. There we go. Oh, and that spins it. Okay, make sure you're watching it.
Okay.
Okay, and I think this one goes over here.
Let's go over there.
And this one goes over here.
Okay.
And this goes on here. Okay. Now let's pause it and we'll keep recording when we get it all together.